Hey y'all, we're going to make something real good. Cajun Chopped Cheese. You probably never heard of it. We're going to take the New York City's recipe and we're going to turn it to our own. We're going to use andouille, meat, cheese. It's just going to be good.
The bayou gives you everything you need, no matter what's cooking or who you're gonna feed. Come along and you will see. Hang up your hat, kick off your boots, pull up a chair, there's a room for you. Tonight you're cooking with the alligator man on the bayou.
All right, y'all, we're going to make some good stuff. All right, there's our beef. Squirt me a little bit of this oil down here. Gotta make it slick, you know. This ain't just onion, this is Holy Trinity. And we use that down here a lot. This ain't nothing but onion, celery, pepper, and a couple other little ingredients. Down here in South Louisiana, we use it in just about every dish we cook down here. Now, y'all, we're gonna let these cook down a little bit. Get this meat cooked. Might come back and add a little seasoning in a minute, but it's good for now. Give it a little chop. Look at that. Y'all see me chopping it up? That's why they call it chopped cheese. Nothing to it, chop it. All right, y'all, we'll come over here. We got some andouille sausage over here. It's a little different sausage than most people are used to. We use this a lot in our gumbos and different things we cook down here. Let me see if I can get one out and show y'all. I'm gonna cut a little end off right here, but I'm gonna eat that anyway. We're gonna open this up. Y'all see the chunks of meat in here? Got chunks of meat. It ain't just ground up all the way. There's actually chunks of meat in here. And that's andouille sausage. That's how it's made. Got seasoning in it. It's just something we use to cook with down here all the time. And it's good. All right, y'all, this is just stuff I had in the refrigerator, and I decided to make me some sandwiches. And that's how most of our recipes start with, is whatever we have in the refrigerator. So we're gonna cut this up, get it browning. Now this is already cooked. Andouille is cooked like smoked sausage. And what we're gonna do, once we get it all cut up, we're gonna put it over there and heat it up mainly. We're gonna get a little brown on it, but you don't have to. You cook it the way you want, but it's already cooked. Get some more of this andouille out. We down here in South Louisiana, we got lots of sausage. Any kind of sausage you want. We make boudin sausage. It's made with rice. It's really good. All kinds of smoked sausage, deer sausage, turtle sausage, alligator sausage. And just a lot of sausage is made down here. All right, y'all, we're gonna chunk this around a little bit. Ooh, it's still cooking. It's just about done. Still a little pinkish in there, but hey, it is what it is. It's just about done, so we're gonna season this up a little bit. And yes, I do like a lot of seasoning. Put my onions some. Okay, now we're gonna probably just mix all this together right now. No, I forgot something, y'all. I forgot the andouille. Oh boy. Look at that, y'all. Ain't that pretty? And that ain't nothing but leftovers. Ain't nothing but leftovers. Ain't it looking good? We ain't through yet though, watch here. All right, y'all, this is looking pretty good. We're gonna mix it all up together here. All right, y'all, this is just about done. We're gonna move it all the way on this side to the left over here. Look at that. And we left with some oil. Today I'm using this Texas toast. I'm gonna show y'all how to do it in just a second. You don't have to use this. You can use regular bread or whatever you want. Hamburger buns, it don't matter. Whatever you want to do it. First thing, I'm gonna chop some of this butter in here. Probably about a half a stick of butter in here. Y'all watch it. We let this melt down like it's supposed to. All right, y'all, we adding all these flavors together. All your beef fat and the butter. It's just pulling all the seasoning off there. Now we gotta get some of this bread. Oh boy. Turn it up high as it'll go. Okay, we're gonna put a piece there, there, and there. Y'all, this old toast about ready. Look at there. Give it another minute. How y'all doing on this side? Not quite ready, but we're gonna get you ready. Wah wizards. Let it cook a minute. And I'll probably put this on a platter or something. Oh boy, these are ready, y'all. Woo! I'm gonna set them right here. We're gonna might get the other two. All right, y'all, these are ready. All right, y'all, the toast is done. Everything else is ready. This is looking real good. Fixing to put the good stuff on here. Woo. Fixing to add some cheese to it, y'all. I'm just gonna shake it all right here, just like that. I like to let it do like this and let it sit a minute. Got more cheese in here. Let that kind of melt down a little bit. Never can have enough cheese. All right. We're gonna let this sit. All of our burners are off right now. All right, we're gonna toss this up. That's time to put her in a plate and we're gonna eat it. All right, y'all, we fix to plate this up, and because it's all just cooked really good. The cheese, the meat, the sausage, cheese all over in it, onions, everything. It's just super good. Y'all come over here and we're gonna plate it up. Y'all, it ain't bad for leftover stuff that was in the refrigerator, huh? Ooh. Now you can do what you want with these, but I'm gonna show you what I like to do. Get a little bit of that crystal. You can use whatever hot sauce you want. Y'all got my honeybees flying around here. Ooh. Now I do use a lot of it, and I know a lot of people don't, but hey, this is what I like. And the rest of them we can't do that with, because Miss Janet just ain't gonna go there. All right, y'all, best part. This is it. Y'all let me know in the comments down below. Did I bring New York to the bayou good or what? What you just write them in the comments down below. This is good, y'all.
Tonight you're cooking with the